Hi and welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. I wanted to show you what I did with Luisa's late kit, the ledgers, ledger 1 and ledger 2. I'll have the name on the description when I am done with this film or video. So I got a it was like an advertisement for something, and it was like in threes. So I folded all those and made six of them, like six folds, I guess. We'll see. But if you can see here, I used the die to cut this out, and on the back one, the circles, um, not circle, oval frame, it has the scallop right there. Then I use a solid and then the ledger again on the oval inside, and that one stitched. Then I used, well, this is a normal one, pink. Then a digital that I loved getting with a lot of little girls, whimsy. So these are the solid one, well, kind of solid yellow. Here's the inside. I did different, and I think this is good for pictures. I want to say for pictures. And then you can put a picture here and then make a note here down here. You can put another picture here right on it, and then there's the back. I put a pocket and also added the extra one that I had, and that is super cute. I love it. So that's in there. You could put something else in there. So that's the way you open it. And this is the back, or the other side. Okay. So I do have another little girl here, but it is a belly band, as you can see. See that? The belly band. But most of the papers that I used, all of it except for the solids on the frames, all of it is the ledgers from Luisa's kit, my Crafty Boutique Co. I will link her down below also, and her kit as soon as these are uploaded, or when I remember to, because sometimes I forget, and sorry about that. And all I did was use kind of like a copperish ink to ink all the edges. And this is, I think this is cute. I might use this for some pictures when they were young. So, and this is my master board of a bunch of jelly prints with some solids. So, cardstocks and one piece, two pieces of my dyed coffee paper. So there you go. I thought I'd share what you can do also with her ledger kit. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.